In this session, we are going to talk about Introduction to Embedded Power BI. Now, Embedded Power BI is a powerful service that allows the organizations to integrate the Power BI's rich data visualizations and analytical capabilities into their own application, websites, and portals. This integration provides a seamless and interactive experience for end users, enabling them to access and interact with Power BI reports and dashboards directly within the context of the application, whichever application they might be using. Here's an in-depth look at the embedded Power BI, its significances, and its use cases. If we talk about the key features of embedded Power BI, the first one is the seamless integration. Power BI's report and dashboards can be embedded directly into the application, providing a consistent and integrated user experience. The next one is the interactivity. Users can interact with embedded visuals in real time, including filtering the data, drilling down into details, and exploring the insights just as they would in the Power BI service. The next one is the security. Embedded Power BI supports robust security features, including the row level security, to ensure that only the users can see the data that are authorized to access. The next one is the scalability. The service is highly scalable, making it suitable for the applications with a large number of users and high data volumes. The next one is the customization. Developers have the flexibility to customize the look and feel of the embedded reports to match the branding and user experience of their application. The next one is the API access. Comprehensive REST APIs is allow for automation and custom integration, including managing datasets, reports, dashboards, and user permissions. Now the question arises, why should we use embedded Power BI? Because it has the enhanced user experience. Embedding Power BI visuals directly into the application enhances the user experience by providing the interactive and intuitive data analytics capabilities without requiring users to switch the context. The next one is the data driven decision making. Users can access and interact with the data insights within their workflow, promoting the data driven decision makings across the organization. The next one is the brand consistency. Embedded Power BI allows the organizations to maintain the brand consistency by integrating the data visualizations into their own branded environments. The next one is the increased adoption. By integrating the Power BI's analytics into the existing applications, the organizations can increase the user adoption and engagement with data insights. The next one is the cost efficiency. Embedded Power BI can be more cost effective than developing and maintaining custom analytical solutions from scratch. Now, what are some of the use cases for embedded Power BI? The first one is the customer facing application. So, businesses can embed interactive dashboards into the customer portals, enabling customers to track their own data and performance metrics. The next one is the internal business application. In this, they can integrate Power BI into the internal applications used by the employees to provide them with real time insights and reports related to their roles and responsibilities. The next one is the ISVs and SaaS providers. Independent software vendors, that is the ISVs, and SaaS providers can enhance their product by embedding analytics and reporting capabilities, adding the values for their customers. The next one is the data driven product. Companies that offer data driven product can embed the Power BI to provide sophisticated data visualizations and analytical features as a part of their product offerings. The last one is the enterprise portals. So large enterprise can integrate Power BI into the enterprise portals and intranets, making data accessible to the employees across the organization. To conclude, embedded Power BI offers a robust and flexible solution for integrating the advanced analytics and interactive data visualizations into a wide range of applications. By leveraging this service, organizations can enhance the user experience, promote data driven decision making, and add significant value to their products and services. With its powerful feature and extensive customization options, embedded Power BI is a vital tool for modern businesses seeking to harness the full potential of their data. This was all for this session. In the next session, we'll be talking a bit more about the embedded Power BI. Thank you.